Oh my god. What is this power? Uh-oh.
Curse! Finish it now!
0.
Oh, snap. He has to get 3 hits? Dude, this is so cool. So creepy as well, though. Oh my god. What curse is this?
Bastard had a gun.
That's crazy.
But you should know. So the gun devil is after your heart.
First of all,
What was that?
we have to get Himeno to a
The
doctor.
curse devil, huh? Stab someone with that oversized knife.
Oh my
Is that the
god.
gist of it? You've got some pretty impressive moves.
Where'd you come from?
This is not gonna be good.
You in league with him?